Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW Z4 E85. We'll dive into its distinct characteristics, from engine options to interior design, helping you understand what makes this roadster unique. We'll explore its performance capabilities and the overall driving experience it delivers. This comparison aims to provide a clear picture of the Z4 E85's appeal and its place in the sports car market. The Z4 E85 offered a variety of engines, from efficient 4-cylinders to powerful 6-cylinder units. For instance, the 3.0-liter engine provided around 225 horsepower, while the M variant pushed over 330 horsepower. You could choose between a precise manual transmission or a smooth automatic, catering to different driving preferences. This range allowed for a personalized driving experience, whether you sought spirited performance or comfortable cruising. The Z4 E85's design is iconic, with its sculpted lines and classic roadster proportions. Inside, the cabin is designed around the driver, featuring comfortable seating and intuitive controls. Materials like leather and aluminum accents elevate the feel, creating a premium environment. While not overly complex, the interior provides a focused and engaging space for open-air driving enjoyment. Driving the Z4 E85 is a truly engaging experience, with responsive steering and a firm, sporty suspension that connects you to the road. While generally reliable, potential owners should be aware of common maintenance points, such as checking the suspension bushings and ensuring electrical systems are in good order. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.